Okay. What you do here after you get from step 6C, instead of closing it, what you're gonna do is you're gonna press this button, and it's gonna send you back to the Excel. Edit cell A1 to display activity. Enter. And you're gonna save it. Control S for save. And leave this file open. And head back to that other one. Click the design mode. Right click this. View code. As you can see, this one is left open, and then this one has command button and click on it. So if you saw command buttons underscore click here and general right here instead, that means you did not do it correctly. So leave this one open. Let's see. Click the design mode, right click. Click between prep and sub. Type the message box. MSG box. Press spacebar. Quotations. Welcome to CMP. If you need to alter the code, press backspace. Do not press on the code directly, because that will not let you finish it very accurately. Press spacebar, type and BBERLF. Press spacebar, type and, press spacebar again. Click OK to continue. Click OK to complete worksheet. Quotation marks. Then you're gonna type comma, comma, because you want to skip the arguments name buttons. And then gonna type courtyard. Yeah. Courtyard Medical Plaza. Okay, and then press enter. When you're done and you press enter, it should look like this. Okay. Click your Microsoft Excel button to return to the worksheet. That would be this button which I clicked earlier. Click that, it'll return you to the Excel. Click the design mode off, and then click the command 1 control. This is what should pop up. Okay. Of course, I probably forgot space. It's user form. Click OK. Then you set the active X. Activate the design mode again. And select the control. Then you're gonna press properties right here. Okay. This is what you should be seeing. If you didn't, it's probably because you messed up on around step 6. When it said to leave it open, you're gonna wanna leave the code open and the workbook open. So I'm gonna move it over here. Activate design mode and select the control, open properties window. Click on caption and click here. It says, please click here. And you're gonna change the back color. Press down here under palette, because it opens up on system first. Palette. Light red color, which is the second column in the first row. So this is the first row. This is the second column. You're gonna press that. And then you're gonna turn on the shadow, which is right here. Put on true. That way the shadow shows. You may see that with adjusted decimal value close to 100. Turn on shadow and set the width to 100. So this is a width. Backspace. And press to 0. So press enter. And it'll give you 99.75. Okay, and then we're gonna close it right here, the properties, and turn off design mode. Select cell A3. Okay, and then you're gonna click save. Control S. This is a message box and not be saved. You're gonna click save, the first option. Prepare the final workbook. Click the please click here, which is the button we just edited. And click OK. Verify that cell A3 is active. And press Control Shift T. Control Shift T. So when you press that, it should bring up the activity, calories, times, and burned from the macro. The macros are stored in your resource file, which is still open, so if you close this window, it will not help you. Don't worry about this. If you mistyped anything here, it'll show in the code since you edited the code specifically. So if you close this file, try to reopen it. Run the titles macro in each of the cells. F3, Control Shift T, A15, Control Shift T, and F15, Control Shift T. Select cell A4 and press Control Shift A. That's gonna pull up your other macro. And you're just gonna do the same thing on F4, A16, and F16. Then you're gonna save and close this one. So you're gonna press Control S. That's gonna save it. And then you're gonna close. Before you close it, this developer is still open. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to File. I love this. We're gonna go over to File, Options. We're just gonna go to Customize Ribbon. Deselect Developer, press OK. And then we're going to close. Now, if you'd like, you can close this. It'll close the codes window as well, so don't worry. Then what you're gonna do, upload and save. Back to top, upload file. 1213, it's 1214, but okay. You can just upload this one, the courtyard, because that's the one that it needs. Okay, press open. It's uploading. Yes, submit the file. And it should give you this. Okay. Have a good day and good luck.